Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to turn on the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on additional settings. Now let's scroll down and enter the developer options, and if you cannot find them, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to enable developer options in this model, and then let's get back to this video. So let's enter the developer options as I said, and now let's scroll down a little in order to find the demo mode option. Right now it is obviously turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see right now we've got the information that when the demo mode is on, the clock in the status bar will stop, battery and signal icons will be displayed as full. You can turn demo mode off or reboot the device to change this. So all you have to do is simply tap on turn on. And as you can see, as it was set, for example, we've got the full battery icon. What's more, we've got full signal icon, and it was not, trust me. And our clock just stopped. We had, what time is it? It's 10:30, and right now we've got 8. So this is how to enable the demo mode. It's quite easy. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher right here. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.